So we just received our Urotuning O2 sensor spacer, and after we installed the downpipe on the car, we did get the check engine light. I did some reviewing and found out that these were highly recommended for a lot of people that use a downpipe on a BMW or any German car that they use a track downpipe. And these things were a little pricey. They were $42 each, and obviously the downpipe has 2 O2 sensors, so we did pick 2 of these up. These are from Urotuning, and I will be installing these tomorrow morning on the car to see if we can actually get our check engine light to turn off. So stay tuned. So we're back, and we are on our way to see if we can turn this check engine light off. We got the O2 sensor spacers with us. We're on our way to the shop, see if we can get that bad boy out of here, because it is very ugly looking in the car. So I will see you guys at the shop. Let's see if we can get that light off. It is disgusting hot outside, but it's summertime and we love it. The traffic is no joke today. Hopefully it clears up a little bit so we can make it to the shop and get this O2 sensor spacer installed, because the shop does close at 5:30. So we're in a little rush, but you know, we gotta drive safe out here, especially with these New Jersey crazy drivers. People just fly by all the time. Look at this, look at this. So guys, this is the update. We did come to the shop to get the sensors installed, and they did tell us that they are leaving early today, so we will have to come back tomorrow morning. So I have an appointment for 7 a.m. tomorrow. Have an appointment for 7 a.m. tomorrow to get the spacers installed. So I'll see you guys then. Welcome back. So we're picking up the next day. Unfortunately, the shop was closed yesterday, so we were unable to get the O2 sensor spacers installed. But we are on our way to the shop now to get the spacers installed and see if we can finally turn this check engine light off. But first, let's hear the cold start. So here's the update. We were able to install 1 of the 2 spacers that we needed. The guy at the shop couldn't get to the top spacer. He didn't have any clearance. He would have to take the downpipe off in order for him to install it. But he was able to get underneath the car and install the bottom spacer. And we were able to get the check engine light to turn off. So by installing the O2 spacer, we were able to remove the check engine light, which is what we were looking for. We're gonna drive the car for a couple of miles, couple of days, and give you guys an update to see if the check engine light is completely off or if it comes back on. They did tell me at the shop that if it does come back on, it's because it needs both spacers. But he believes that it only needs 1 in order for the check engine light to go off, which indeed it did. but we want to make sure that that is gone for good. So we're going to drive the car for a couple of days, make sure that the light stays off. And then if I don't need this one, I may be selling this one. If not, I just may be holding on to it for no reason apparently. But let's see, by Monday, hopefully we don't need to install the second one. And we are good to go with the check engine light. The install was pretty cheap. It was 30 bucks to get the install done at the shop. Catch you guys then. That's it for the video. If you guys don't mind dropping a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel, as it does help the channel out. Thank you so much. Till then.